Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I am going to give a glimpse of one of the hidden destinations of India that people hardly talk about. It is a complete natural paradise where we can enjoy the beauty of nature. Let's explore the RANEH waterfalls, which is a natural waterfall on the Ken River or Karunavati River, and it is one of the major rivers of Bundelkhand region of central India and flows through Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The main attractions of this region include the RANEH Falls, the Great Canyons, and the Ken Gharial Sanctuary. RANEH Falls consist of various small and big waterfalls in regular stretches, where some falls appear only during rainy seasons. The main attraction in RANEH Fall is the deep canyon, which is 5 kilometers long and 30 meters deep. This canyon is made with pure crystalline granite in 5 different colors like pink, green, misty white, red and grey. According to the Geological Survey, this canyon was formed about 460 million years ago due to the volcanic eruptions. Ken River flows through this canyon, forming several natural waterfalls. During rainy season, this whole area is filled with water and the longest fall is of 60 meters long. The best time to visit this place is after the monsoon season, when we get a full glimpse of the waterfall, that is during September to November. On other seasons, many of the waterfalls remain dry. When waterfalls are not there, then we can see the canyons clearly. This place looks stunning because of the way the canyons are formed around the waterfall. It has a very unique formation. The waterfalls are naturally formed while the canyons are shaped by the volcanic eruptions. Here we can see 5 different colors of rock formation. The deep canyon is 5 kilometers long and 30 meters deep. This beautiful place is approximately 22 kilometers away from Khajuraho. Adjacent to this RANEH fall is the Ken Kharial Sanctuary. The Ken Kharial Sanctuary is an alligator national park and it is near to the RANEH Falls. There we can see a few alligators resting on the rocks. Other than alligators, we can also spot deer, vultures, blue bull, peacock, etc. on our way to Ken Kharial Sanctuary. In rainy season, we can get a spectacular view of the landscaping. Ken River or the Karunavati River passes through the Panna National Park and it is a tributary of the river Yamuna. If you are visiting Khajuraho and if you are a nature lover, then this is a must visit place. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog and stay tuned for the coming episodes of Khajuraho. Thank you.